Varenna is definitely one of the most visited villages on Lake Como. It was at the very top of our list too until we accidentally arrived in Bellagio. I shared the whole story in the previous video. Nevertheless, we didn't stay there very long and boarded the next ferry to Varenna. One place we bought tickets for was Villa Cipressi. The name is a bit misleading because actually there is no villa to visit. The place operates as a hotel and you can only visit the villa itself if you are a hotel guest. Most people come here for the beautiful botanical gardens and more recently for the famous Gate of Heaven. It's the most photographed spot inside Villa Cipressi and possibly on Lake Como in general, because if you search for Lake Como online, you'll probably see at least a few photos with this very gate. We just visited the infamous Gate to Heaven or Gate of Heaven or Gate of I don't know what at Villa Cipressi or Cipressi. You'll most probably have to wait and I don't know, it's cute. But on the way to this place, we've seen so many other beautiful places that are not worse than that I'm actually a bit disappointed that we wasted half an hour waiting just to take a couple of pictures that also didn't get like super gorgeous that would justify the waiting time. So I don't know, people seem to come here very prepared with different outfits, so on and so forth. So it's very, social media infected, and I would advise you skip this place because the botanical garden itself is gorgeous, and like this place, nobody's here apparently, but it's pretty much the same view. Well, yeah, there are other really nice spots that offer even better views without the gate, of course, but still worth it. Or you can also spend more time exploring the botanical garden. It's built on a series of steep traces descending directly toward Lake Como and has Mediterranean, subtropical and even semi-desert plant species. We still have one villa to visit today, and we were supposed to visit Bellagio as well, but I think we won't be able to because our villa entrance is like in an hour, and by the time we're ready, I don't think we'll have much time in Bellagio, even if we reach it. So we'll probably visit it on Friday, or maybe not. But it's also supposed to be a really nice place, like a must visit. You'll probably have something to see in each town. And there are so many villas. Of course, there are those that are more hyped, so to say. But as the experience showed us with that gate, it's not always the best idea. Also, the ticket system is a bit confusing, so you might want to double check the departing times, the arrival times, the stops, very important. Otherwise, you'll be reaching some other places. So it's a bit confusing, and it's a lot because there are a lot of places here. So that's why I do ask and re-ask each time. I'm not to repeat our mistakes. We had a couple of hours before our next entrance slot, so we used this time for lunch, some shopping and sightseeing in Varenna. Interestingly, Varenna is one of the oldest fishing villages on Lake Como. It is much quieter than Bellagio or Como town, but a bit busier than Belano. One of its most famous paths is the Passeggiata degli Innamorati, or Lovers' Walk. We were lucky because we found it almost empty a couple of times. Our last stop was at Villa Monastero. They have a pretty strict policy for professional photo shootings, by the way. In this case, there is a garden and there is a villa to visit. And when purchasing tickets, you can decide whether you want just the garden or both. This garden is famous for its huge variety of exotic and ornamental plants, including palms, citrus trees, and flowering species. Unlike many villas that sit above the lake, Villa Monastero's design is unique because the entire garden runs parallel to the shoreline. Villa Monastero is so beautiful. You should definitely book it together with Villa Cipressi because they are like 5 minutes apart. And also for Villa Cipressi, you don't have any like time limit to enter. It's an all-day ticket. And for Villa Monastero, you should normally book a time slot, but it seems to be so beautiful and so many places to see, and we're so short on time as usual. It's a bit full here, but still you can get nice pictures and nice experience here. The villa itself is nice to visit too, but honestly, if you choose just the garden, you won't miss much, cause as for me, it's the main highlight here. I hope you enjoyed our adventure in Varenna. If so, don't hesitate to subscribe and give me a thumbs up.